The real reason you need to start Amazon KDP is not because like I'm sitting here telling you that it's a good business to start. I've tried FBA, right? I've ran a Shopify store, right? I've done a lot of different businesses in my time. And Amazon KDP is the one I keep coming back to because it's so bloody easy to make money with, especially with AI. And right now there's two types of people watching this. There's people who haven't published their first book and they're still wondering. Okay, stop wondering and just give me 72 hours. I'm not even going to charge you. You're just going to do it for free by doing the 3-day publish and profit challenge. You'll have your first product up on Amazon selling and making money. You can't do that with FBA. You can't do that with Shopify. You can't do that with anything else. But you can do it with KDP just to prove that you can do it. And then there's the other people watching you've published a couple books and you're just not making any money. Well, just let's be real. You're doing the shit wrong. That's it. You're just doing it wrong. You're doing it the same way I did it 10 years ago, which was bad. You just have to get better. And the great thing about this business is it is full of little itty bitty skills that you just need to keep developing over time in order for it to pay you handsomely. I live in the jungle in Tulum because of Amazon KDP. So I know this business works. And that's one of the reasons I dedicate the YouTube channel and give away so much free content so you can literally start a business without even having to pay me a penny, because I know it changed my life and I know it can change yours.